So, this is a tutorial of how to assembly and disassembly a personal computer. Hello. We are Shayna Arellano and Joseph Corpin. We are here to teach you the step-by-steps on how to assembly and disassembly a personal computer. Let's begin. So this is the model that we are using today. First, remove the screws on the back of chassis to open a case. So it should be like this. Then you should remove the cables that it is attached to the disk drive. Open the front casing to remove the disk drive. Disconnect all of the cables that is connected in the motherboard. Note where the connectors goes and in what position it was installed. In removing of the processor, you must handle it with care because it is super sensitive. First you remove the processor fan. Remove the power supply. And lastly, remove the motherboard. Then it's done. Now let's proceed in assembling. Now take back the motherboard first. Then next the power supply. In installing a processor, we must apply a thermal paste on the top of it to assist a heatsink to draw a heatway. Put back all PC cards that you removed. And also the disk drives. Reconnect all the cable wires in their proper places on the motherboard.
After connecting all the cable wires, put back the side cover of the chassis. And lastly, return all of the screws.
I hope you learn a lot. Thank you for watching.